What else, ladies? Huh? Snoring. Did he snore when he met you? Did he snore when he met you? He didn't when you sucked the life out of him. He has no air. He had a lot of air when you met him. He used to sleep at night. Now he's just trying to survive the night. He ain't snoring, he's dying. A little bit each night, a little bit. Y'all call it sleep apnea, we call it marriage. There's not a man here that's single with sleep apnea.